A young Arjuna is playing with his brothers. His guru, Dronacharya, puts a clay bird on the tree. "Can you hit the clay bird?" he asks. "Yes, we can." The teacher is with the two big brothers. "Look at the clay bird," he says. "Can you see the tree?" "Yes." "Can you see the cloud?" "Yes." "Can you see the house?" "Yes." "Go away," shouts the teacher. The teacher is with the two small brothers. "Look at the clay bird," he says. "Can you see the tree?" "Yes." "Can you see the cloud?" "Yes." "Can you see the house?" "Yes." "Go away," shouts the teacher. The teacher is with Arjuna. "Look at the clay bird. Can you see the tree?" "No." "Can you see the cloud?" "No." "Can you see the house?" "No," says Arjuna. "Hit the bird," says the teacher. The clay bird falls from the tree. If one has to hit the bullseye, one has to get his focus right. Like Arjuna, this man has his focus right, and that is growth, growth, and more growth. Mind you, this is not just his individual growth or growth of his company, but overall development of all stakeholders, including the society at large. As a leader, his vision is to build roads where there aren't any. Since 2003, Pawan Kumar Ruia kept on identifying heritage brand and technology in global business. And with his unique management skills, he unlocked the potential of the companies. Today, the $1.4 billion Ruia Group is a fast-growing Indian conglomerate with an employee strength of 16,000.
The Ruia Group is a story of acquisitions and turning around 6 heritage companies and a story of finding opportunities within adversities. In 2008, when the world was gripping in the clutches of recession, we at Ruia Group saw opportunities.
Strategies that worked wonders for the group include consolidation of business with focus on 4 essential areas: engineering and infrastructure, tires, automotive sealings, and fasteners. The strategy also ensured marking global footprints in some of the best technology platforms. The Ruia Group now has sealing systems plants in the UK, Germany, Czech Republic, and the USA. Aiming to be a global leader in sealing systems manufacturing, the Ruia Group is targeting the markets of fast-growing countries.
In India right now, the total auto component industry is something like $26 billion, close to 1 lakh crore rupees, which is expected to rise 5-fold by 2020, which is going to be something like $110 billion. The car ownership right now in India is 14 cars per 1,000 people. The global average is 137 cars per 1,000 people.
Ria Group is always focusing on growth in the different areas of its, the different sectors of its interest. Definitely we want to grow, and if you want to grow ever, always the aim is to become number one in that field of growth.